Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and I am here today to post my first video, to record my first video in this channel. And I'm here to tell you why you should be starting your YouTube channel now and not wait any longer because you keep talking yourself out of it. This is the time to start, especially for us who are over 40 years old. Number one, we have a lot of experience. If you have been through life for 4 decades, you clearly have something to share. Experiences in your career, experiences in raising a family, experiences in just life in general. You have so much to share. We have unique perspectives of things. Clearly we come from different generations and things are totally different. So just to share what you've learned in the course of your years, it's a gold mine for a lot of people that will be looking for that later. Number two, YouTube is a creative outlet. You come here, you talk, you learn new things that you didn't think you would learn at this age. Video editing, content creation, social media stuff, like lots and lots of things that under normal circumstances you won't learn. But when you come to YouTube and you're trying to put out a video, you clearly acquire that skill. Number three is building a community. It is valuable to have a community that rallies behind you. You share ideas, they challenge you, you challenge each other, and you become long-term friends. Sometimes it's hard to do that, but when you have somebody behind you, just knowing that there are people behind you, you tend to do better. In my opinion, I've tended to do better when I know there are people that are expecting me to win. Number four, learning new skills. God knows, I knew nothing about editing videos. I knew nothing about this whole content creation stuff, but coming onto YouTube, I had to teach myself how to do this. I had to teach myself how to edit. I had to teach myself how to, and it's good because it keeps your mind sharp. As a 40-something-year-old, I'll speak for myself because I don't know what the other 40-year-olds are doing, but that brain fog is real. That brain fog is no joke. And number five, inspire others. YouTube is a very good place where you can come share your story and have other people relate to you or resonate with your story. Pick some nuances that can help them with their life. Depression is major. Mental health has become an issue, especially to our children. When you're in that place, YouTube can be a very good place for you to come and just type in the keyword or whatever you're looking for. How do I deal with my depression? How do I deal with my mental problem? Whatever the situation is, YouTube has a solution for you, so to speak. And last but not least, building legacy. YouTube is a good place to build legacy, your digital legacy. Remember, these videos will stay up until you take them down. 5-10 years down the road, somebody will be watching this story and resonating with it and getting encouraged, getting inspired. So it's a good place where you can put all your expertise, so to speak, and have somebody enjoy them years to come. And there you have it. Those are some of the reasons why you, in your ripe age of 40 plus, you should be starting a YouTube channel. So let's share with the younger generations our experiences in life, and hopefully they can grab something that will help them in the future. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Please do not hesitate to click that button, to like, and most importantly, to subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.